Well, hello there. I have completed. I have tried to make some changes according to your requirements. As you can see, your requirement was start from this section. First, you say that username is showed in your video. If you should, as long as I can edit them. New bidder register link username terms and condition. Okay, actually the terms and condition, you want the terms and condition. So I'm logged in as an user admin. Actually, let me go to the front end. In the front end, as you can see, here I am in front end. If I logged out, then I am not logged in. Now if I click on sign up, register, in the register page, as you can see, this is the registration page, and here is the terms and condition. You can also edit this as an admin. You have to go to sign in first as an admin. Yes, I have logged in. Now I have to go to admin, and the admin page, you can see add terms and condition. Here you can add your terms and condition. Okay, it is already the previous one. For example, I can show you in the home page. For now, this is the notification or billboard you want. Oh, this is the billboard section. Your first requirement was to terms and condition. As you can see, the terms and condition, right? So you can see here, show all billboard messages. This one billboard, and this is the terms and condition. Okay, you have to add new terms and condition. Okay, let me go to the terms and condition of this page. For example, I have to go to the registration page, and here you can see the terms and condition. Okay, all are there. I have just copied it from there. Let me show you this one. Let's say conclusion. I copied this conclusion part only. Okay, copy this and go to the terms and condition, create new terms and condition where only the conclusion is there, and you can use all these things to change this. And if I click save, and you can see it is in the edit page. Now you can edit the terms and condition if you want. It is saved. And now if you want to check what is the terms and condition, let me open a new private window, and I will try to go to this website, copy, and this is the private window. Okay, paste and go. As you can see, because this is a private window or no cache system or anything. Okay, here you can check whether it is working or not. See, it is redirecting me to the login page. So I have to log in. Let me log in as another user, not an admin. Have logged in, and you can see the name, and here is the search section. You can also search for here. I will show you later that oh, okay, the terms and condition, right? Oh, I have to then sign up and go to the sign up. This is the registration page, and you can see it is changed. Okay, only the conclusion part. So your registration is working. Now let me go to another part. Admin page, you say other things can be added. So So far you have pretty much everything. Exactly, look, a link to click to turn off the site off while working on in the maintenance mode. So you can do this in two ways. One is using the command line. If you upload your project in the cPanel, then you have to install Laravel in your cPanel. Okay, so to do that you have to install the SSH. You have to enable the SSL, what that call, a secure shell enable so that you can log into your cPanel through the SSL terminal. Okay, like this. You can go to your SSL or SSH, right? SSH to your website, your domain, then you can log in, and then after that you have to install the Laravel, install Composer, then you have to write the command, which is a command like this. For example, let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. This is the command you can use, which is in the Laravel main documentation system, documentation page, which is PHP artisan, what is that, down, PHP artisan down, and other is up. Okay, to activate your website, and also to down, that means deactivate your website. You have to do this. If I now do this, PHP artisan down, and you can see application is now in maintenance mode. Okay, so if I now try to go to my website and refresh this, you can see this is a 403 error, and you can see, sorry, we are doing some maintenance, please check. This is the Laravel default system. Okay, and because if you don't have SSL system enabled, then you cannot do this like this. So I make another system, another way. So let me show you. Just make it up. Okay, I have activated my system. Now if I refresh this, as you can see, it is activated, website is activated. Now let me show you that you have to do it manually. Actually, not manually, just you have to remember one thing. I have configured all the things. You just have to go to kernel. See, this is the kernel.php. Where it is in the app http folder. Okay, this is your project. Okay, this is your project, auction test, and this is the app folder. Let me minimize all these things. Resources, this is your folder. Okay, now you have to go to the app http kernel. Okay, this is the kernel file, and here you just have to do one thing. See, this is the protected middleware group. Okay, this is the middleware group which is controlling all the routes should I use. Okay, here you can control everything you want, anything you want. So I have created another middleware, that is maintenance middleware. If I uncomment this and save this, let me show you what happened. It is not refreshing. Okay, see, after refreshing, it has me redirect me to this page. You cannot go any other page. If you try anything, see, it will always show you these things. Sorry, we are doing some maintenance, please check soon. you can customize this page as you want. Okay, you can now I cannot go to admin page or in the front end page, any page. Always it will show always me this. See, oh, this is not, this page, this route is not there. Let me log in. For example, say auction test login, I want to log in. See, it will always redirect me to this. So you can always do maintenance like this. So it is a local version system. Another thing, so you just have to remember this, the kernel.php file, go there and just to activate your system, just uncomment this system, uncomment this line, this middleware. Now save this, and if I refresh this, now it is back online. Okay, and 404, as you can see, the previous link was, this is a 404 page. That means if your application does not have any route like this, okay, then it will throw a 404 error which says that the page you are looking for could not be found. Okay, so I think the maintenance system is done. Now another question is that, can we place to control the bid increment? For example, if a bidding starts at $5, the next bid will be $2 more, and if it is $100, and it will increase by, it is not $0, actually you are asking for $10, I think. So if it is $100, then it will be $110, right? So I make that kind of change. So let me show you. If I go to detail page, oh, okay, detail page, here you can see it is $300. Another, this is the pagination system. You can go to how many, even how according to the items, it will, this number will increase, and you can just click on them and it will go to that page. Okay, see, again, see. So let me click on this item, we can see these things, and see the current bid is $20, so it is showing the next bid have to be 22 or more. Okay, now if I try to, here you can see the next bid is $22, so if I try to enter 21 then and place the bid, then it says you that your bid price should be greater than this. See, your bid price should be greater than this. Now if I try again, let's say 30, okay, $30, and place the bid, you can see it is showing that you have successfully bidded for the item, and you can see the current bid is $30 now. This is the bid and the number of bid for this item, maximum bid. Oh, this one is not dynamic actually right now, I forget about that. You can, yes, you can do this. Okay, let me do it for later. So see, $30, now it is $32 again. Let's say $60, place a bid. So you have successfully bidded, and here you can see it is $60 and it is $62. Now if I write $100, enter, and you can see it is $100. Now it is showing you that $110. See, so if I try to $110, it will do that, I think. See, you have successfully bidded. So it is $110, now it is $120. Difference is $10. See, now let me, this way it will work. Okay, and I think this completes that part. Now need bidding, type our page like on need billboard or billboard message type. See, okay, let me show you the billboard system. Localhost option. Let me go to the home page. This is our home page. You can see this is the billboard. Okay, you can scroll through this, and you can change this billboard by going, because I am admin now, so I have to go to the admin page. Now you can see this is the billboard section. Okay, billboard section show all the billboard messages, so you can see all the billboard message here, and if you want you can edit them, you can change them. For example, let me show you testing 1 update. See, data is updated, so it is testing 1. You, in this way you can create do this, and if you want you can delete also this. See, data is deleted, no billboard is there. And now if I try to go there, let me see what happened. Oh, see, there is no, if there is no billboard, then I have to actually do one thing in the home page, right? Home.let.php, this part, right? Billboard messages, so this one. Just have to say if billboard message is set, I can also use this one to make so nice looking code. Is set is this variable. Now I can do this one, save this, fresh. Feature item is actually outside. Section custom h1. Okay, let me change this. I have to do another thing. Div with this class, and this for each should be there. So this, here's this. I'll fix this later, right? I have to refresh this page. There's 2 pages actually, right? Let me close this one. I have refreshed. Now, for example, if I search Yankees, Yankees, right? YENKEKESS. It will show you something like this. If it finds something like that, then it will show you. Okay, these are kind of things I created. Say base. See, oh, one thing is that I have what can I say, I have to keep the mouse over this search page, then this section will show up, otherwise it will hide, it will be hidden. Okay, let's say base. See, baseball kind of thing. See, baseball. So these are kind of the search system. Will I be able to enter my logo? Oh, in that case you have to give me the logo actually. If you give me the logo, then I can just change this logo and increase the size or whatever we want. Okay. Can you change the font? Yes, I have changed the font to whatever you said, Barnard MT. So I have downloaded this font, as you can see. I have downloaded this font, and I have put this in my public folder, font folder. See, barnard.ttf, and I have implemented this in this CSS. This CSS and whole body is getting this CSS. That's why it has been changed. The font has been changed. If you want to check this whether it is not working or not, let me just comment this out and save this. If I go there, refresh this, see, the font has been changed. Again, if I Ctrl Z, save this, go there, if I refresh this, then you will see that the font will be changed. See, the font has been changed. Again, now also, can you change the blue color on the side to diamond plate and yes, I changed as you have already seen this. See, in the background, this image in the home page, this image is in the background. If you want, you can remove this background. For example, if I inspect element there, and if I inspect element this and custom element, and what can I say, inspect element on this box, right? So this box has a background color of white. If I click on this, there is no background color, so it will be look like this. Okay, if I refresh this, it backs up, then oh, that's it, right? Okay, that's what I done. Thank you for watching this video, and good night.